Yes, it's Boston, where the boat land. Thanks for joining me again. Just want to give you a part two of the trip we made to the Boston beach. It's a bit overcast with a light refreshing breeze coming in from the northeast. The beach is almost empty on this early Sunday morning, but in a few hours all of that will change. There's a lot of smoke from these young green trees that they use in preparing the jerk pork. It's an old Maroon tradition handed down hundreds of years ago. With this special preparation, many have tried, but few have duplicate this flavor. Let's continue to enjoy our time here in Boston amongst this national treasure. You know what I'm not seeing on all these beaches anymore? Seashells. What the hell happened to those? Anyway, just a thought. Let's continue.